Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check east, west, north or south in Google Map. Now let's say if you have an iPhone or an Android and you need to check which direction is north or west or east, whatever it may be, I'm going to show you how to use Compass. So let's open up the Google Maps here and you will notice one thing right off the bat is a blue dot. That is where you are, and the cool thing is your phone recognizes which direction it is pointed. So what I recommend doing is taking two fingers and putting on the screen and turning your fingers. You will see that it start rotating the map, and essentially when you do that, at the kind of top right there is the two lines, the like kind of red arrows to the right and the white arrow to the left. This is the compass that's built into Google Maps. If you want to orient yourself so that the top of your iPhone or Android is north, you can just tap on that. You will see the red arrow points directly up. So this gives you a good indication that anything pointed up is north, anything pointed to the right is east, anything pointed down is south, anything pointed to the left is west. But you might be wondering which direction you are pointing. Now you will see this little blue dot here as a little shaded area, and that is an indication of which direction I am pointing my phone. So I can move right here and you will see now the shade is pointing directly off the coast of north, indicating this right here is east. Now I can go all way over and now you can see it's pointing directly west towards, so I can indicate that that is west, and then vice versa for north, and then right behind me would be south here. So it's an easy way that you can use this as a compass but also get a good idea of what direction or cardinal direction anything is just by using your phone Google Maps. Now keep in mind most phones also have a compass. I can open up the compass here directly from my phone and you can see similarly the north is pointing directly over here, and you can see there is east, south, north is behind me and west is also behind me. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.